All right, it's Thursday, January 4th. I'm buying some Tesla 245 puts here at 548. This is on the 15-minute chart that kind of grinded up all morning here, went above the first bar high, moved up for about an hour or so, pre-market high, took out this stop here, and then it has kind of two red bars failing back into the range. So I'm going to call this kind of in the downtrend that unfolded here, taking out liquidity to the upside. I don't anticipate it making kind of a secondary move to the highs of the day. So I'm kind of looking at this as the high of the day, and we'll see if we kind of work down now and make kind of higher highs in here and eventually lower lows, or at least get a push down to the bottom of the range. At that point, if we get lower here, I'll see what kind of bounce happens. If it's just kind of a pause, then I expect it to head lower. In the big picture, we got the two down red day that could test the lows of that day. We kind of just worked inside of this bar a little bit this morning. And again, this looks to be kind of a failure move here to me. But we'll find out. And I sense that on the weekly chart, after being red, we're still, the continuity to the downside with we're holding the midpoint, a little bit of that buying tail on the first little bounce here, took out some liquidity, but I still think there are targets down below to that 230-ish area. So again, we will see if that's just higher highs, taking out some stops, and then the overall day after this big push down, this low hasn't been tested yet, so we could be coming down through that area if all goes well on this trade here. And we'll find out watching 15-minute price action, seeing if that becomes the high of the day up here.